What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Yeah, you say it. They can't hear it. Talk loud. So guys, today we're just doing a quick little video. Samuel celebrating his 4th birthday. Show them 4. Good. Yeah guys, so Samuel is now 4. And this year he wanted a Sonic birthday party.
And I want the Superman. I want a robot party too.
You want a robot party when you're 5?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's talk about the Sonic party. But before we talk about it, guys, remember to like this video, remember to share it, and to subscribe if you have not yet done so. So Samuel, how was your birthday yesterday?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
You had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
So you want to tell everybody thank you for coming to your party?
Thank you for coming to my party, everybody.
And what? What else you want to say?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Coming to my party.
For coming to the party?
Yeah.
So guys, Samuel had a lot of fun at his party.
And the basketball and the cake is fun.
The bounce about and the cake was fun. So he asked for a bounce about this year. And trust me, Samuel jumped for probably about 4 to 5 hours.
Not 5.
Huh?
Not 5.
Okay, jump for 4 hours. Okay, so Samuel said that he jumped for 4 hours. And trust me, and he and his friends, they had a lot of fun. And what did you?
I cut the cake.
You cut the cake?
Yeah.
When you cut the cake?
Becky and Nayla.
Yeah, you, Becky and Nayla cut the cake yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So guys, we got a few little clips from the party. And we'll definitely insert that into the video. Why turning it back to the camera? Who is on there? Who is on there? Who is this?
Sunny.
This is Sonny. Who is this?
Till.
They can't see. Turn around. So who is that one over there?
Till.
Who is this?
Knuckle.
Knuckles. Alright. Who is this?
Saddle.
And?
Baby World.
Okay. So Samuel had some masks for his party that he gave to his friends. So they all got a different character. And everybody had fun, right? Yeah, enjoy yourself. You're still happy. How about the gifts? What did you get? Sit down and tell them what you got for your present.
I get dinosaur truck. I get Sonic airport. It's on the jacket.
What else?
And
Your Sonic Crocs.
Sonic
And
clock.
you get race cars.
Mini cars.
Okay guys, so if you never hear the first part, he said that he got his Sonic earphones. What else? A fire truck. And what?
I'm going to show them.
You're going to show them?
Yeah.
Alright, hurry up and come back. Hurry, hurry. Guys, Samuel is so excited. Trust me. Every year, it's a different personality, a different character. And we're just enjoying the moment. So right after we show you guys his fire truck, we'll just go right into the bird. Samuel. Yeah, we'll go right into little aspects of his birthday party. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, okay? So this is the fire truck. Okay, you want to press the button for them?
I'm not tired.
That's it. Yeah. Alright. And this is what?
A dinosaur truck.
Dinosaur truck? Come,
Yeah.
come, come.
I'm going to get
You going to get other one?
yeah, a dinosaur truck.
Alright, hurry up, hurry up. I never expect all of this, guys. So bear with someone. Come closer. Let them see. Come over this side. So turn around. Yes. Hold down your hand and let them see it. Show them this one. See you break this one already? Show them that one. Hold it down. Down. Okay. Alright. So come right here. Sit down right here. Tell them thank you guys for watching this video.
Thank you for watching it video.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment, and remember that Samuel is now 4 years old.
4 years old.
Alright guys, so enjoy the little bits and pieces of his party, and thank you so much for joining us. So until next time guys, we catch you in another video. So tell them bye.
Bye.
Later guys.
Later guys.
Give me up. Ah! Bye. That's enough. High five.